Ever wondered what happens to your data after you delete it from an app? Or how AI systems can forget specific information without losing their smarts? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development in machine learning, how AI can unlearn things, like erasing a memory without rewriting the whole brain. Let's start with the basics. Machine learning models are trained on massive datasets, right? But what if someone wants their data removed? Think of it like a library. If a patron asks to delete their borrowing history, the library can't just erase the entire catalog. It needs a way to target specific information. That's where machine unlearning comes in, removing the influence of particular data while keeping the rest of the model intact. But here's the catch. Traditional methods either take forever or degrade the AI's accuracy. It's like trying to remove a single book from a shelf without knocking over the whole stack. Enter researchers at Southwest Jiaotong University, who have cracked this problem with a technique called orthogonal soft pruning. So how does it work? Imagine a neural network as a team of specialized tools. Each filter in the network learns to recognize specific features, like edges, textures, or shapes. But these filters can get too interconnected, making it hard to isolate specific knowledge. The solution? Enforcing orthogonality, a math term meaning independent directions. By making filters mathematically independent, the network can disentangle features. Think of it like organizing a kitchen. If each tool has its own space, you can easily remove one without messing up the rest. This orthogonality helps the model identify which filters are tied to the data we want to forget, then softly prunes them, like gently removing a specific tool from the box. The results? Near-instant forgetting with minimal accuracy loss. On datasets like CIFAR10 and TinyImageNet, their method erased targeted classes in milliseconds, outperforming existing techniques by orders of magnitude. And here's the kicker. It doesn't need extra models or complex steps, just a lightweight update. Why does this matter? As AI becomes embedded in healthcare, finance, and autonomous systems, privacy is critical. This approach makes real-time unlearning feasible for cloud-based AI services, ensuring users can control their data without slowing down the system. So the next time you delete data from an app, remember, AI is getting smarter about forgetting, thanks to tricks like orthogonal pruning. It's a small step for machines, but a giant leap for privacy. Here's the real magic. This method doesn't just erase data, it does it fast. While traditional approaches might take hours to retrain a model, this technique works in milliseconds. Imagine a world where your digital footprint can be scrubbed instantly, without compromising the AI's ability to learn. That's the future we're building, one unlearned memory at a time.